All right, guys, so we got a little something new today. We're gonna be working on this GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now, if you've watched any of my other YouTube videos, this is what I normally use to film those videos. And I have a little damage to the lens. That actually happened when I was doing the stump grinding video. A rock flew out and hit the lens on here with the Hero 8 Black. I'm not sure if the 9 or the 10 have changed, but the older GoPro cameras, you used to be able to remove the lens off of them. This one, supposedly you can't. I had called GoPro because I had the yearly subscription, and they were basically like, send us 80 bucks, we'll give you a new camera. Right, I think I paid maybe 300 for this camera new. They used to sell these on Amazon. I'm not sure what happened. So let's open this up and check out everything that we have in here. So we have the replacement lens. Now it has a film on the front and back. You want to make sure, especially on the back here, the front you can clean, but if you touch the back and then you put this in place and you have a fingerprint on it, you're out of luck. You're gonna have to do it again. So we have that. Oh, look at that. Came with a little sticker. That's cool. And it came with a wet wipe and a dry wipe, almost like when you change a screen protector on your phone. And it came with this little thin metal pry tool. All right, so to make this easier, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a heat gun here and we're gonna heat this up. I'm gonna put the heat gun on low. All right, we're gonna set it on low so we don't end up melting our camera. And we're gonna heat this up a bit directly over the top of this lens. And we wanna be careful that we don't melt the surrounding area of our camera. I can actually see it discoloring here. So I'm gonna shut this off now. I'm gonna assume that this is pretty hot. I'm gonna put this little piece in here and pry up with it and see what happens. Now, when you call GoPro, they insist that this lens can't be changed and the camera needs to be replaced. And we basically just proved them wrong. The blue side here is your backing, and then all you do is you peel this blue protective cover off here, and guide that down into the camera, give it a couple presses, and then peel off that top film. Look at that. We have a brand new lens. All right, guys, so if you have a GoPro Hero 8 Black or any other GoPro that does not have the removable screen over the lens, head over to Camera Butter to get yourself a replacement. You saw how easy that was. I don't even remember what I paid for this. It wasn't that much. It was maybe 20 bucks, but it's cheaper than buying a $300 or $400 new GoPro. Thanks for watching, guys. Please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to help support me.